In this video, let's learn how to enable one-handed mode on Samsung Galaxy A06 mobile. Go to mobile settings, scroll down this and go to advanced features option. In here, you can enable this one-handed mode. Now I click on this one-handed mode option. You can see we can enable one-handed mode in two methods. First one is gesture method and second one is button method. Now let's check first method how to enable this. You can see a preview in here. You want to swipe down the center of the bottom of edge of the screen. In this method you can enable one-handed mode in gesture method. You can move this screen anywhere. Let's check the second method. You can see second method is buttons method. I enable it. You can double tap the home screen. In this method you can easily enable one-handed mode on A06 mobile. I think the buttons method is very easy to enable one-handed mode.